All right, ladies and gentlemen, having a look at Hallie von Prufenpudding, 11-month-old, solid black German Shepherd female. Do a little bite work here and let you guys see all about this girl's ride. Good. Oh, there we go. Good. That's it. Good. So kind of a tough presentation there, but you fix her grip pretty quick. A very calm possession, displaying very, very solid nerves. Good. Get back. Good. I see it. Oh. Yes. Good. There we go. Good. Hey! Hey! Good. Not flinching with the whip. Doesn't show any shyness about stick hits coming overhead. That's it. That's it. Hey, get back! Hey. Oh, good. Certainly not shy of any pressure I'm giving her. All right, 11-month-old protection video, Hallie von Prufenpudding.